Yes, dear friend, in last video actually I introduced you with the wave nature of light and superposition of waves. Because interference is the superposition of result of superposition of light waves. And what does this tell? In fact, what is interference of light? I am writing here and take the mathematical interpretation also. According when light waves of same of exactly same frequency and nearly same amplitude from two sources of light travel in a space in the same direction. In the same direction. Then the two waves superimpose each other to give varying intensity of light. Intensity of light. In my room, two light sources are there. If I close one, you get less intensity. If you get both together, it becomes more. But this is something other also here. Light waves superimposed to give varying intensity. Now here what is different? That is, if two waves meet, which have same frequency and nearly same amplitude, उनकी बात करें, तो I am talking about those waves which have same frequency and nearly same amplitude. If exactly they have same amplitude, that is the best result. So if two waves meet at any point, in same phase. Now this phase what is also trouble for students, but I will discuss just after this. Two points in same phase, then the two waves give maximum intensity of wave. Intensity wave maximum means light will be brighter, and at other place and where the two waves meet in opposite phase, phase. Then there, then phase there, then the two, they produce minimum intensity. Minimum intensity. If amplitude are exactly equal, it will be totally dark there. When wave meet to produce, या when wave superimpose करके, superimpose each other to produce maximum intensity, then interference is called constructive interference. These are the terms used in questions. So I am telling constructive interference, constructive interference, interference, and where when they produce minimum then minimum intensity. Then it is called destructive interference. Actually, this thing is told just to know what we are going to study. Sometimes questions are asked on this define interference also. But things are, which are important are just coming here. Now, if the wave meet at any other place, neither in same phase nor in opposite, what will happen? Then intensity there will be somewhere in between maximum and minimum. At other places, intensity of light will be somewhere between maximum and minimum. So this is qualitative analysis of interference. When two light waves of same frequency, nearly same amplitude, travel in medium in the same direction, and then they give very intense where they meet in same phase. Now I want to again tell you the meaning of phase, though I keep on telling this, but students do not understand properly. again and again, and they remain in the state of thinking that what is phase. Actually, y equal to a sine omega t. This omega t, if varies from 0 to 180, then y is positive, because value of sine from 0 to 180 positive, and from 180 to 360 negative. And here negative positive means opposite direction. If y1 is positive and y2 negative, then y1 this way and y2 this way. So this gives you phase. And if you take y1, suppose along this direction displacement है y1, yeah, it is the electric field y1, and y2 is there a sine omega t plus phi phase difference, maybe 30, maybe 45, maybe 90, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Then plus phi, तो this way, y2 this way, angle phi. These are two vector now. I am repeating again, I am stressing what I am going to tell you. And if it is y3 a sine omega t minus phi, then this is y1, so y3 this way, negative, minus phi, lagging behind. So this is the meaning of phase. Actually, I have told you that light waves are electromagnetic wave. I will deal it with interference. I will analyze interference in terms of electric vector of electromagnetic wave. So this is the meaning of phase. So here the phase difference is phi. Here this y2 ahead in phase from y1, y3 lagging behind from y1. So these are the meaning of phase and direction. Actually, phase is here that quantity which gives direction only. Now I take mathematical analysis of interference. Mathematical in analysis of interference of light. Because whatsoever the wave, light wave, electromagnetic wave, or any radio wave, so they all interfere. So we will discuss here only light. Let electric field. Dear friend, in books it is written let the displacement. I take here that electric fields at any point due to two waves. Let electric field at any point due to two light waves are given by y1 equal to a1 sine omega t. Frequency and interference remain same, omega. Omega, in fact, 2 pi nu. We have 2 pi f, 2 pi nu. Frequency. It is called air frequency. And y2 is equal to a2 sine omega t plus phi. Phi is the phase difference. Now I hope you understand. If y1 is this way, then y2 is this way. y1, y2 are the value of electric field at any point at time t both. Actually, while telling you electromagnetic wave, we have represented electric field vector as E equal to E0 sine omega t minus kx, like this. Here we have taken x equal to 0. Suppose at origin, here it is y, it is a, amplitude. So, according to principle of superposition, let this equation be 1 and 2. So, resultant electric field at that place, the resultant electric field at this place, y is equal to y1 plus y2. Nowadays I am feeling lot of trouble because of mathematics of students, very poor mathematics, and even they don't want to listen because they have got good marks in class 10. I have put the value of y1 and y2. y1 a1 sin omega t and y2 a2 sin omega t plus phi. Phi is the phase difference between the two waves. Now here it is sin a plus b. So a1 sin omega t plus a2 sin omega t cos phi plus a2 cos phi, cos omega t sin phi. Here I have applied formula sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Mathematics student so may remember it, but biology student I have noticed they don't try to learn this thing. This is bad. These formulae we have to learn, and they are saying that we are aspirant of NEET, etc., medical. Here sin omega t common to 2. So a1 plus a2 cos phi sin omega t plus I write it as a2 sin phi cos omega t. Let this equation be 3. Here a1, a2 are the amplitude of electric fields. They are constant for the two given waves. Phi is the phase difference constant. So let a1 plus a2 cos phi is equal to a cos theta, and a2 sin phi is equal to a sin theta. Here my argument was there when I was student. If we have to let us suppose it be P plus P and Q, why they have taken in the terms of sine and cos? Because variation of cos will produce a function of cos, and sine function sine, so we have to assume here in terms of a1, a2 amplitude. Actually phi may change with place, but here we are taking at any place. This is equation 4 and 5. Putting 4 and 5 in equation 3. Here, putting equation 4 and 5 in equation 3, we get y equal to a cos theta sin omega t plus a sin theta cos omega t. Now again using the same formula, a is common. So we got it as a common sin omega t cos theta plus cos omega t sin theta, which comes out to be a sin omega t plus theta. Here this is the equation of wave. In case superposition of two waves produce again a wave whose amplitude is capital A. This equation 6. It is the equation of a wave whose amplitude is A and it differs in phase. It differs in phase. It differs in phase from equation 1 by angle theta. So resultant of wave is again wave. Two waves superimposed, they produce again a wave whose amplitude is capital A. The remaining part please will be in next video, so read that continuously here because it will be very long. So now I am taking rest part in next video, please.